Hi, boys and girls. So today for math, we're going to be doing some more comparing. Now remember, when we compare something, we can see if it is less, if it is more, or if two things are equal. Whenever we compare, we are looking at least two or more groups or sets. Okay, so our directions say count the umbrellas in the box below. So let's count our umbrellas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to write my number 6 right over here so I don't forget it. Now we're going to go down to our next sets, and our directions say, now decide if each set contains less than, more than, or equal to the number of umbrellas in the box, and circle your answer. So let's start by looking at our moons and counting the moons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 moons and we have 6 umbrellas. Now, is this group more? Is this group more, or are they the same? Yes, you're right, they are the same. So when two groups of objects have the same number, we say that those are equal. Okay, let's move on to our rainbows. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to write my number 4 over here on this side. Now, which group looks like more? If we're just looking at this one and at this one, which one do you think looks bigger? Okay, now let's look at our numbers. Which one is bigger, the 6 or the 4? Yep, I think the 6, this group of umbrellas, looks bigger than this group of rainbows. And I know that 6 is more than 4. So if this group is bigger, then that means this group is smaller. And when we are thinking of things that are smaller, we say less than. So this group has less than this one. Okay, let's go down here to our lightning bolts. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write the number 5. And now we have to think, does this group have more than the umbrellas? Is this group less than the umbrellas? Or is it equal to, which means the same? Okay, so if I look at my two groups, it's kind of hard just to see by looking. But now if I look at my numbers, 5 and 6, I see that 5 is the smaller number. So that means that this group of lightning bolts is less than this group of umbrellas because the 5 is smaller than the 6. Okay, last one. Let's look at our snowflakes. Now, who can just subitize that without even counting them? Good job if you said 3. So now I have 3 and I have 6. Now, if I just look at my two groups, my snowflakes are bigger in size, but I can see that this group is much more than this group. Okay, and I also can look at my number 6 is bigger than my number 3. So that means that this group of 3 is smaller, and that is less than. 3 is less than 6. Okay, good job, boys and girls. I'm super proud of your hard work. Bye-bye.